Hello traders, this is Elendo Ifanye. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to register on Bybit, link an authenticator, trade and withdraw an asset. Alright, so without much ado, let's dive in. First of all, this is a Bybit screen and this is my account, so I will need to log out. Okay, let me just log out. So once you're on bybit.com from the URL, bybit.com, you click on sign up. You have the option of either using your mail or using your phone number. Now the phone number options is a very easy way as you just get the alert on your mobile, but it's restricted to the question, what if you lost your phone? That's why I prefer to use the email option. So, but for the purpose of this and for many others, let's just choose mobile since it's faster. So you enter your mobile. Let's enter your password. For password, you need to use 8 to 30 characters, at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and at least one number. So any combination you feel is good. Then under the referral, use my referral, which is AZRKLO. This is my referral and I would like you to use it. It helps me put up more videos and put up more tutorials. Alright, so after that you click on I have read, I agree to terms and conditions, then click continue. Then from there you would receive I think a code will be sent to your phone number where you will fill in and then continue the process. So let me log in because I have my details. Alright, so I'm already logged in. So for this, after logging in, you need to connect an authenticator to your account. Now, authenticator just helps you securely log into your account. You go to the app, input the code, and you get access to your account. So for that, you need to go to your account. This logo is also going to be the same on the mobile app. So you go to account and security. Here you see a list of your security features. Your two-factor authentication, email, SMS, Google two-factor. So this is the one I'm looking for, Google. If you're just registering, it's going to be disabled, so you need to enable it. Mine is already enabled, that's why it's showing disabled. So once you click on enable, it will link you through the process of downloading an authenticator. So for ease, I would recommend you use Twilio Auth. The link is going to be shown in the description for you to use it. So once you use that, you follow the instructions, it will get you successfully connected to Auth. Now the reason why we need this is because of withdrawal. Without this authentication, you cannot withdraw your funds. So you need to set it up for it to be able to withdraw. So after that, so to make deposit into your Bybit account after registration, you click on assets, click on spot, click on deposit. Choose the coin you want to deposit into your account. So for this, we are depositing EOS. The chain is EOS. Then click on acknowledge. Then you copy the EOS deposit address and also copy the memo. Then you can send it to whoever is going to send you this EOS assets, or you can copy it, then take it to your other exchange account where you can now use and deposit with it. Or if you want to deposit USDT, click on USDT. Choose the chain. Remember to choose TRC20 because of network fees. It's very minimal. Just $1. Copy it, then either send to the person that will send you this USDT or take it on that exchange and send to this wallet. Alright, so that's how to deposit into your Bybit account. Go back to our trades. Now there's two kinds of trades. You can use the spot and the futures. So let's click on spot. So what spot basically does is that you buy an asset low, then sell when it's high. You buy it, you feel it's low, then once it gets high, you sell back. So let us choose an asset that we can sell. So in the top left, you can see the list of assets available. So I have my favorite. So let me choose Bit because I like the Bit token. So now this is the chart for Bit. So I go to buy, sell. So under the buy, you will see that there are different options. You have limit order, you have market, you have conditional. So limit order essentially tells you that you want to buy at a specified price. Let's say when the price reach, now the price is of Bit is 2.95. Say I want to buy if the price come down to 2.8. 2.8. Then I click the quantity. Let's say I want to buy 10 bits. If my money we contain that's 28 USDT. Click on Bybit. Now it's not going to get filled automatically until the price comes down towards 2.8. But for simplicity, I would like you to use the market order. Now what market order does is that it fulfill your order based on the current market price. So the market price now is 2.95. So if I'm to buy let me use $10 of bit, $10. I buy bit, it gets filled automatically. 10 out of bits have been bought at the market price has been filled. So now how do you sell this particular bit? So if I check my balance of bit down here, you see I have 21 bits. Now if I'm going to sell quantity of bits. Let me sell 10. The minimum you can sell on Bybit on most assets is $20, 20 USDT. So if I'm to sell 10, will that work? Let's try it. Order value, okay, 10 bit is 29 USDT, so it's going to work. So sell bit. 10 bits sold at market price has been fulfilled, so that's okay. So back. So that's the bit, this is the amount I have. This is the bit available now, 11 bits. And I have 39 USDT available. Alright, so that's how to buy and sell on Bybit. The same thing applies if you want to sell using limit order. Now you've bought at 2.9, you want to sell when it's around 3.0. You can just set it. Order price, sell for me at 3.0. 3.0. Quantity, want to sell 2 bits or 10 bits. Then you sell, click on sell. That's how to use the limit order. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be buying EOS and withdrawing through there. So if you have USDT in your account and you want to buy EOS, how do you buy EOS? And the reason why we are buying EOS for withdrawal is because withdrawal through EOS network is fulfilled instantly. Bybit delays when carrying out withdrawal function. Now if you have to withdraw things like ETH, and other deposit assets, ETH, BTC, depending on the particular chain, Bybit processes withdrawals 3 times a day. So if you can wait for those times a day, then it's okay. But if you want instant processing, I would advise you to use EOS as Bybit supports instant withdrawal through EOS. So how do you buy this EOS? Click on the buy on the right hand side, market order as usual. Now I want to buy 15 USDT worth of EOS. 15 USDT worth of EOS. So I'll buy EOS. Okay, that's 3.04 EOS. Buy EOS. So remember, it's now in my what spot account. So you go to your click on assets, click on spot, click on what withdrawal. Alright, so after I click on withdrawal, you see select the coin you want to withdraw. So I'm choosing EOS. So the chain type is what? EOS. Now, if you are withdrawing USDT, which is dollars, you will see like three different chain. You will see the ERC20, TRC20. So depending on the chain you are depositing to, you have to choose the corresponding chain to withdraw from. So now I'm choosing EOS because I'm depositing to an EOS network, an account, an EOS account utilizing the EOS what network. So your wallet address, you add. Bybit allows you to add wallet address. So you add. So what you do, you click on add. So choose the asset type you want to add. Once again, choose EOS. Now the address, you go to Binance or someone can send you this information if you want to deposit to their wallet. So now I want to deposit to my Binance wallet. How do I do that? I go to what? The fiat and spot on Binance. I choose what? Deposit. Now select coin. What coin do I want to deposit? I want to deposit EOS, right? So I choose a network. And this is what I'm talking about. Now you have three networks, but remember that it was only EOS chain you had on Bybit. So choose EOS. Okay. Okay. You copy this. Copy this. Go back to the Bybit. Paste it here. Paste that. Go back. Copy the memo. Paste it. Give the address a name. Let's say, depending on where the person is. For me, I'll choose the name Binance EOS so that I can always come back when I want to deposit to what? Binance. So confirm. But I've already added it, so I'll just click on cancel. So for first time, after you add an address to your wallet, you have to enter your authenticator code so that it will be added to your account. So once again, click on withdraw, choose the coin, EOS again, right? You chain type EOS. So you simply click on this drop down. Now Binance EOS added before will not show up. Click on it. It will automatically fill in the memo which is needed. Click on the amount. I want to draw all. 2.9 because of the transaction fee 0.1. So submit. So now the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.2. Please note that Bybit processes withdrawal requests 3 times a day. Now, instead of a person being able for withdrawal below 12,000 euros, so we are good. So this will be instantly processed. Alright, so submit and close this. Now, you have successfully withdraw from your what? Bybit account. And that is how to register, link an authenticator, trade, and also withdraw. Okay, now before I end the video, Bybit occasionally hold what? Campaigns. These are events where you get to win awesome prizes. Like this one, you can win up to 1,700,000 in prize pool. You have to share. So this is the pool prize. So you have to share to win part of this money. All right. So there are many more. Well, for beginners, I'd like you to take advantage of the what referral double decker. So what happens is that once you register for this event, anybody registering through you using your referral and successfully made a first time deposit of $100 or more and trade assets worth $200 or more, essentially buy an asset $100 or more, sell it $100 or more, making $200 volume. They will qualify for what? 40 USDT bonus. So you get 40 USD bonus, your referee will get 40 USDT bonus. So this is a good way to make something from the Bybit what? Exchange. Alright, so once again, I can answer your questions in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much.